Two at a time.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising.
I have like dirt and saliva all over my hands.
Until we can uncover the colors of all of our faces, we can encourage the light to hover upon us and love all our races. We can stand, fight, go up, go over. Know that there's not always choice but to grow older, yeah. And I wanna know, is this a world that we wanna live in? And I wanna know, is there any way that we'll be forgiven? And I wanna know, is this a world that we can be proud of? And I wanna know. We're always taught how to learn how to burn it away now. No, never, not ever, no more. It's a battle that no one can win and it's lasting. You might call it a war. It's taking us inside a world we built a wall against, barbed the wire up upon the fence. We're leaving ourselves behind. And I wanna know, is this a world that we wanna live in? And I wanna know, is there any way that we'll be forgiven? And I wanna know, is this a world that we can be proud of? And I wanna know.